Hello everyone! Hello beautiful weather right now guys. Hello spring! Hello spring! Look at this beautiful spring, beautiful perfect weather. Wala pang dahon. Look at that. Wala pang dahon pero may grass na yan, oh. Grass. Let's go over there. Kumusta ng lahat, everyone? Look at the beautiful blue sky. Let's go. Walking around the park. Pie. Strawberry pie. Oh, squirrel! Look at that squirrel. Hey, squirrel. You want pie? Hey! Hey! Tamis guys. Pie. Rose garden. Ayan, rose garden. Tapos sa kabila. Rose garden soon. The month of June. Ayan. Oh, daming rose dito. Wow, ayan na, oh guys, ready na. Right? Ganda, ang ganda. Pag June, month of June is a roses month. Dilinisan nila guys, oh. Ayan na, ginunting-gunting na at ano na yan, ready to grow. Garbage. Nice weather. Beautiful sky. Look at that. Finally guys, spring is here.